Hey there, ever wondered where the moon came from? Theories about its origin have fascinated scientists for centuries. One theory suggests that the moon and Earth formed at the same time from a primordial accretion disk, explaining their geological similarities. However, critics note that this model fails to explain the current angular momentum of the moon around Earth. Another theory proposes that the moon was formed from material that flew from Earth's surface due to its rapid spinning. However, this theory lost credibility over time due to a lack of evidence for such a rapid spinning event. A third theory suggests that the moon could have formed outside Earth's gravitational influence and was later captured by Earth. However, this theory fell out of favor after it was discovered that Earth and the moon were geologically similar. Another theory suggests that the moon was formed from the remnants of a shattered planet called Theia. However, this theory broke down because Earth and the moon are made up of similar elements in similar concentrations. The origin of the moon remains a captivating mystery, with various theories offering intriguing possibilities. What do you think? Where did the moon come from?